guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be I guess kind of like a tutorial, or just give you guys inspiration of what to do with your eyes for a Christmas party, or you can even use this as a New Year's party if you don't want it to be like so out there, but a little bit out there, but not like the whole 180 yards or 100 yards or whatever the hell you want to call it type of thing. But this is the look that I came up with. I hope you guys like this look. So if you're looking for something more like with the red lip, but you wanted to have like a gold in it type of thing, or just some kind of like shimmer with some badass bad bitch eyelashes that are gonna be like, ooh girl, look at those lashes, look at that red lip and all that, then this is a look for you. So if you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. We're gonna go ahead and go in with the Beauty Killer palette. I have not used this in a hot minute, honestly. It's been a very long time, and I don't know, I just want to try something a little different. And I think I want to go in with all these colors right here, which isn't normal for me because I like bold colors. But I've been wanting to go in with like golds and all that stuff. So I'm going to go in with, what is it, Courtney? Which is this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and pick that up. And you can tell I use that shadow a lot when I got this palette. So I'm just going to go in with the crease area. Dude, my finger hurts. I banged it and I'm so like upset. Now it freaking hurts. Like, you know when you hit yourself and it hurts, and so like now throughout the day you're just like hitting it on anything? That's what's happening to me right now. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade Vanity. It's like a brown, but I feel like it has like a purple tint to it. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And then this one, I'm just going to kind of push in the product slowly and bring it in. Just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that again. You can definitely see this brown has a purple undertone. Just like that. Next, I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D Whiteout Concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out and use a little brush. Now I'm gonna do like a small cut crease, just like in the inner. So I'm just gonna go gently up to there, just like a half. It's a really pretty gold, but it's been forever since I used this palette. I got this palette when it first released. Like, I went online, I ordered it like fast and quick, checked out, and I was like, yes. So but now it's just so overwhelming with everything. Like, it's just a lot of makeup coming out, especially in the holidays. So that is what that looks like. I'm going to do it on this. Then I'm going to go in with Black Rainbow, which is this black one right here. It has like a little bit of shimmer in there. I'm going to go ahead and do that using the same brush from this Shade and Light brush from Kat Von D. And I'm going to go ahead and push this black here as well. And then I want to kind of just swirl it just to tap it, and then pull it, tap 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 tap. Just like that. Perfect. that. I'm going to go ahead and do it on this side. I don't want to put too much darkness in there. I'm going to go ahead and go with Trophy Wife from Fenty Beauty. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this bright gold on my lower lash line. Piper. And then, of course, I'm going to go in with that same brush. I'm just going to pick that up again. Just give it a little bit more gold in the inner. And I already used a different type of highlight because I don't want it to be overpowering of gold. So I'm going to go ahead and put my lashes and mascara. And then I will come back with a lip. See what color we're going to do. And then I'll be right back. For the lashes, I'm going to go in with Hot Box Cosmetics. My friend owns this lash company. And they are in Amelia is the name of these lashes. These eyelashes are really nice and they're really way out there, which is what I love, especially if you're going to a Christmas party, you're going to a wedding in the Christmas. There's always Christmas parties, quinceañeras, like all that type of, or it's just an event in general of whatever it may be. But I think that these lashes are freaking amazing. It says that you can use them up to 25 times. I've already used them once for the quinceañera that Destiny was in. I wore them that night. And it just makes it like really like out there. Now I understand some people don't want to wear something like this like every day. She does have more that are a little bit and as not like she has different styles. I will leave the link in the description bottom of where you can find them. I'll probably put her Instagram on there as well. That way you guys can check it out yourself. But yeah, these are from Hot Box. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this with my eyelash glue, guys. I've been using this since I got in. I know guys kind of told you how I feel about it like after the first day, but honestly I really do like that lash glue because I feel that it really makes my lashes like stick and really last long. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on and then I will be right back. Hey guys, this is the final look. This is the look that I came up with. I like it because it's gold. You know, I am going weird because I'm going towards like the red and green. Normally I go for blue, white, and silver for like, you know, winter, snowman type of thing. So I wanted to do something a little different. And of course you gotta pop up a red lip because it has to look good with the red lip. But yeah, that's about it guys. I hope you like this look. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified for future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.